Ready. First, we have to fill it. Timber loader. Press the pump. Don't stop. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's wash. Timber loader. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Bulldozer. Done! First, we have to fill it. Bulldozer. Pump. We did it! We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Hooray! We have to assemble. Excavator. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Press the pump. Done. Let's dig a pit. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator. did it! We have to assemble dumper. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Dumper. Pump. Don't stop. Let's make a sand blanket. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up.